This is the bombardment of Doma. It was made in this morning, on this date. So at 6 sharp. So this is how Kir made this. And, but the goodness is because all people survived, nobody died, and we are really fighting for our right, which is our location. Even though Kir attempted to do this, so he wouldn't be able to do this. We also appreciate God for helping us in this time, and this is how Kir met his own people. So we are exactly saying that we have separation, so we should not be combine it with Dinka again, health again, because this is how Dinka does. Because the Kir made this one. This is not because of this is a tribal fighting, because Kir wanted to genocide Nuer, which is not going to happen at all. And I hope we will achieve, and we will have our own land, which is our fertile land, the Hoyole land. So we need only separation since Kir has done this. So this is what is then happening. But it happened in this morning, and nobody hurt, so long as God is still guiding us. This is how this morning. You can see we are not going to leave fighting or clear Dinkas away from Upper Nile. So we are heading to Upper Nile, even though it's trying to buy the international world to do this. So we wouldn't leave. We have to do it, and we have to fight. This is how things are going. Thank you very much. Yes.